This is question 19 on problem solving from section 1 of the 2019 ECAA. So we're told that someone is making sourdough, which consists only of flour and water. And they start at 8 AM on Monday by mixing 50 grams of flour with 50 grams of water. And then at 8 AM each subsequent morning, the weight of the mixture is doubled by adding equal amounts of flour and water. But every hour, 1 gram of the water content is lost through evaporation. Now, if this person needs 500 grams of sourdough for a certain recipe, with 50 grams left over as well, then the question is, on which day will this person have enough? So, where to begin? Well, we're told we're starting on Monday with 50 grams of flour and 50 grams of water, and so we know that will give us 100 grams of sourdough. And if we need to eventually get to 500 grams with an extra 50, so we're aiming for 550 one of these mornings. So let's input the information that we're given and then see when the sequence gets to 550. So what do we need to do for Monday? Well, before we double it for Tuesday morning, we need to remember that we're going to lose 1 gram of the water content every hour. And so that means that the weight of the sourdough will go down by 1 gram every hour. And how much will it lose before 8 AM on Tuesday? So 1 gram per hour for 24 hours is minus 24. And so that would take us to 76 grams. So at 8 AM on Tuesday, we're now doubling the weight. And so it's important not to double it, then take off this 24. So what's double 76? That takes us to 152 on Tuesday morning. Then, again, how much do we lose on Tuesday? That's going to be 24 grams before 8 AM on Wednesday. So 152 minus 24 is 128. So we're still quite a way off our 550 target. So let's keep going. We need to double 128. And what is that? That's 256 on Wednesday morning. Again, we need to take off 24 for the water content. 256 minus 24 is 232. So it looks like when we double this, we'll be getting there. So 2 times 232 is 464. And again, we're losing 24 grams of water content. 464 minus 24 is 440. So we're still not quite there. But on Friday morning, if we're doubling 440, that takes us to 880 grams of sourdough. And so we can see that we're well past our target of 550. And so it doesn't matter what time on Friday that we harvest the sourdough, it's definitely going to be at least 550 grams. So the day on which we have enough, based on our system that we've gone through here, has to be Friday. This corresponds to an answer of D.